On one hand, our business unit must always be looking for new opportunities with a strong entrepreneurial spirit. On the other hand, our group relies on collaboration, team spirit, and unity. This solidarity between all our entities is the only way to get the expected synergies and also to be resilient to unforeseen external events.
Our group is bigger and stronger. The diversity of our employees is one of our treasures. We want to offer our teams a company where they trust the people they work with. Working together is more than collaboration. It is human experience. Sharing team success, promoting initiatives, encouraging mobility, this is our future.
We think as one and act with a strong entrepreneurship mindset in which everyone is committed to support others proactively. Global achievements are for the community's benefit and thus to everyone's benefit. We optimize work by eliminating barriers and promoting a climate of collaboration and teamwork. We cultivate open and trusting relationships by sharing information and resources with others, asking for coaching or cooperation if needed, and communicating clearly, openly, and in a timely manner.
Collaboration,
Diversity,
Teamwork,
entrepreneurial spirit,
synergies,
cooperation,
unity.
open-minded.
open and trusting relationship.